In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a page to the top menu, the main menu of your website using WordPress. The first thing you want to do is go up to the top and you'll see the little plus symbol and it'll say new. You want to click on that, scroll down. If you're going to make a blog post, you would go to post, but scroll down to page, click on that. When this comes up, we want to be able to name our page, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to put new page. We'll look to add content later. Go over to the right hand side, the top, right up here, click on publish, then click publish again. Now we want to add that page to our main menu. Next, go to the left, scroll all the way down to appearance, and then we want to go down to menus. Now you will see that we have the pages that are already part of our main menu right here in the box. Now also you want to keep in mind that your website may have other menus such as a footer menu. This one does not. And so for the sake of this video, we're just going to add it to the main menu. Make sure the one you want to add to is selected. Next, we want to go over here to the Add Pages menu and look down, and we want to find here is the page I created entitled New Page. Click on that. Then go down to Add to Menu. Now you see the new page I created is down here on the bottom. You can click on it and you can drag it anywhere that you would like to go under the home page to place it in the order of which you would like it to be. You can put it in between these two or put it in between these two. We can also offset it under here, and if we offset it and let it go, you'll notice when it comes to the main menu, it will be in a drop down under Bus Ministry. But for the sake of this video, we're just going to place it right up against the others, and we'll let it go, and then be sure to go over for the changes to take effect and go over to Save Menu. Once that is saved, we want to go up to the top, the name of your website, go to View Site, and now you will see, taking those steps, that we have the new page we created on the main menu. At this point, you want to go to edit the content, click on the new page you've created, and you can go up to edit page, click on that, and now you can go in here and add the content to the page that you like. If this tutorial was a help to you, please give it a like, a thumbs up, a comment, and be sure to subscribe for future related content.